Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy. How do you say, I got well? Back in HSK 1 in Grammar 1.5.3, we learned how to use adjective 了 to indicate change. So I got well is 我身体好了. My health wasn't good, but now it's good. This change is expressed by 了. 我身体好了. What if you want to add the word already? I got well already. This is useful when you want to emphasize that something has already taken place. We express already with 已经我身体已经好了 I got well already 我身体已经好了 The construction is 已经 plus adjective plus 了 We also learned back in HSK 1 in Grammar 1.14.1 that 了 can express completion. For example, he went home. 他回家了. 了 indicates that the action already took place. The same idea, we can add 已经 before the verb to express already. He went home already. 他已经回家了. This emphasizes that he's no longer here, he already went home. 他已经回家了. More examples. 王老师已经回家了. Teacher Wang already went home. 王老师已经回家了. Now, how do you say, I played soccer for 10 years? 我踢了10年足球，很好。And with 已经，我已经踢了10年足球。I played soccer for 10 years already. 我已经踢了10年足球. See that? You just add 已经 before the verb 踢. 我已经踢了10年足球. Or putting 足球 at the very beginning also works. 足球, as for soccer, 我已经踢了10年. I've been kicking it or playing it for 10 years. 足球我已经踢了10年. How do you say, I worked for over 2 years? 我工作2年多了. If you have trouble with the expression 2年多, you can review Grammar 2.1.3. Now, where should you add the word 已经 here? Right, we add 已经 just before the verb 工作 to work. 我已经工作2年多了. I already worked for over 2 years. 我已经工作2年多了. 我已经在这儿工作2年多了. I already worked here for over 2 years. 我已经在这儿工作2年多了.
Ken, 你做什么工作？
我做 web design.
你做 web design 多长时间了？
已经2年多了。
Ken 说什么？他做 web design 多长时间了？已经2年多了，很好。That's everything. You can review the material from your textbook under Lesson 4, Notes number 3.